Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about ESPN Fantasy Waivers. So let's get started. First of all, there's something that you need to know. The ESPN Fantasy Football uses standard waivers that clears early Wednesday morning around 2 or 3 a.m. And basically, the waivers allows players to add or drop players effectively within a structured system. So basically what you need to do is open up ESPN website and log into your account. And after that, after the draft happened, you're gonna see here your team right here. Basically, what you want to do is hover over the players and press on waiver order. And as you can see, our place is the 7th, and the other people had like the first, the second, whatever. So these first people are gonna be the first players who get the waivers. So basically, what you'll have to do is hover over players again and press on add player. And in here, you can see all the players. And basically, what you wanted to do is check the players that you want. If you want running back, if you want a wide receiver, whatever you want. And basically, what you need to do is press on the claim button right here. Let's say, for example, we want Isaiah. We're just going to press on claim. And after that, you're going to select a player to drop. And let's say, for example, this player right here that we have in our team. Just like that. And press on continue and confirm. And just like that, and basically the move is going to be right here in the bending move. Basically what you wanted to do is just wait until the wave is set, and if you do have another player that you wanted to add, you can press on add players. And for example, let's say another guy took Isaiah. We can simply look for another one that we think is good, and let's say for example this guy. And also we're gonna drop a player, let's say this guy, the same player, and press on continue. And right there, the pending move are this. So if we did not get Isaiah, we're basically gonna get the other guy. And if that did not work out, you can simply go again to add players and press on claim for another player, and just to make sure you get the player that you want, and also drop the player that you do not want. So yeah, that was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.